Good morning. Where are you flying to?
I am flying to Rome today.
Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Are you checking in any bags?
Yes, I have one suitcase to check in.
Do you have a carry-on bag?
Yes, I have this small backpack.
Please put your big suitcase on the scale.
Okay, I am putting it on now.
Would you like a window or an aisle seat?
I would like a window seat, please.
Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you very much for your help.
Your gate is number 15.
Thank you. I will go there now. Excuse me, where is the check-in counter?
It is over there on the right.
Can you help me, please?
Yes, of course. What do you need?
Where can I find the departures board?
The departures board is behind you.
Is my flight to Berlin on time?
Yes, your flight is not delayed.
Do you know where gate A7 is?
Yes, go straight and then turn left.
Can I check in my luggage here?
Yes, this is the right place.
Do I need to take off my watch?
Yes, please put it in the tray.
Can I keep my jacket on?
No, please take your jacket off.
Do I take my laptop out of the bag?
Yes, you need to take it out.
What about liquids, like water?
You cannot take that water with you.
Is this the right queue for London?
Yes, you are in the correct line.
What time is it now?
It is 9 a.m. in the morning.
How many bags can I take?
You can check in 2 bags.
Is this bag okay for carry-on?
Yes, that bag is a good size.
Where are the toilets, please?
They are just around the corner.
Can I get a coffee somewhere?
Yes, there is a cafe near Gate 5.
Where is our gate?
Our gate is B13.
Is it far from here?
No, it is a 5-minute walk.
Let's look at the screen again.
Good idea. I want to check the time.
What time does the flight board?
It boards at 10:30 a.m.
Do we have time for a snack?
Yes, we have about 25 minutes.
I need to find my boarding pass.
It is in your jacket pocket.
Can I see your boarding pass?
Yes, here it is. We have seats together.
What is your seat number?
My seat number is 25A.
Is this the gate for the flight to Madrid?
Yes, you are in the right place.
Is the flight delayed?
No, it looks like it's on time.
Can I charge my phone here?
Yes, there are some outlets over there.
Do you have your passport ready?
Yes, I have it in my hand.
When do we get on the plane?
We can get on the plane very soon.
They are calling our seat numbers.
Okay, let's get in the line.
Can you help me find my seat?
Yes, your seat is right here.
Can I put my bag up here?
Yes, there is space for your bag.
Could you please move your coat?
Of course, I will move it now.
Is it okay to use my phone now?
No, please turn it off for takeoff.
Can I change seats with you?
I'm sorry. I like my window seat.
Is it okay to recline my seat?
Yes, you can recline your seat now.
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Yes, I will bring it to you.
Are there any snacks?
Yes, we have cookies or pretzels.
Could I have a blanket?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
What time do we arrive?
We will arrive at 3 p.m. local time.
Where is the restroom on the plane?
It is at the back of the plane.
Can I have a pair of headphones?
Of course, I will get them for you.
Excuse me, could I have another pillow?
Certainly, I will bring one to you.
My screen is not working.
I can restart it for you.
I feel a little cold.
I can bring you an extra blanket.
When will the food be served?
We will serve lunch in about 30 minutes.
Are you traveling for work or holiday?
I am traveling for a holiday.
Is this your first time in Paris?
Yes, it is my first visit.
What is the weather like in London?
I think it is a little cold and rainy.
How long is the flight?
It is about 3 hours long.
Do you want to watch a movie?
Yes, that sounds like a great idea.
Can you tell me the time, please?
Yes, it is now 3 o'clock.
The captain is speaking now.
What is he saying? I cannot hear.
He said we are landing soon.
Oh, good. I am ready to arrive.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Okay, my seatbelt is on.
Please put your seat up.
I am putting my seat up now.
Do I need to fill out this form?
Yes, everyone needs to complete it.
Can I borrow your pen?
Yes, of course. Here it is.
What do I write for my address?
You can write the name of your hotel.
The plane has landed.
That was a very smooth landing.
Can we get up now?
No, we have to wait for the green light.
Don't forget your book.
Oh, thank you for reminding me.
Do you have everything with you?
Yes, I have my passport and my bag.
Let's get off the plane.
Okay, please follow me.
Please have your passport ready.
Yes, I have it right here.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I am here on vacation for 3 weeks.
Where will you be staying?
I will be staying at the Grand Hotel.
Do you have anything to declare?
No, I do not have anything.
Can you open your bag for me, please?
Yes, of course. No problem.
Is this your first time in the country?
Yes, it is my very first visit.
Welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much. Where do we get our suitcases?
We need to go to baggage claim.
Which number is our flight?
Our flight is on carousel number 4.
I see my bag. It's the red one.
Great. I am still looking for mine.
Can you help me lift my bag?
Of course. It looks very heavy.
My suitcase is not here.
Let's go to the lost luggage office.
Do you have all your bags?
Yes, I have my suitcase and my carry-on.
How do we get to the city center?
We can take a bus or a taxi.
Is the bus station far from here?
No, it is just outside the exit.
Where can I buy a ticket?
You can buy one at that machine.
Does this bus go to the city?
Yes, this is the Airport Express bus.
How much is a taxi to the hotel?
It is about $45.
Is someone meeting you here?
Yes, my friend is waiting for me.
I need to find the car rental desk.
The signs say it is on the next level.
Well, this is my stop.
It was nice to meet you.
You too. Have a wonderful holiday.
Thanks. Enjoy your trip as well.
Let's find a taxi now.
Okay, the taxi stand is over there.
Do you need any help?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
Goodbye and have a safe journey.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.